All right, good afternoon to you from the Storm Alert Weather Center. This is Chief Forecaster Daniel Wilson with the latest information that we're having from the National Weather Service in Louisville. There's been a change in the timing of when we expect severe weather to occur. A little bit of a change in the timing. We'll tell you all about that. That's why you need to remain alert and pay close attention to what we're having to say. We're going to give it in the best way we can, give it in a quick manner. That way you won't have to sit and listen to a lot of rambling. I want to get the point across. First of all, we remain in an enhanced risk of severe weather across all of this area, all of Kentucky pretty much, except just parts of extreme eastern Kentucky that you might as well be in the enhanced because of the line over to the Virginia border. What we expect tonight is thunderstorms will redevelop, and the first round is over. The second round of storms should begin around between 7 o'clock Central and 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning on Monday. That's the time frame. That's what's been given by the Weather Service. Another 1 to 3 inches of rainfall is possible. Another 1 to 3 inches of rainfall is possible as these storms begin to move across the area. So it's going to be serious situations concerning your outdoor driving. Remember, turn around, don't drown, and be aware of your surroundings. Power outages are likely, winds in the excess of 70 miles per hour, and the probability of those strong winds exists mainly from interstate, it's just east or just west of Interstate 75 over into eastern Kentucky. So if you have friends that live in that area, you should tell them to be heads up and aware of what's going on for weather. The tornado threat will be likely greater with this second round of storms that's coming through. The Storms Prediction Center has indicated parts of western Kentucky around Paducah, Mayfield, Murray, Kentucky as the greatest chance for tornadoes, but it also exists across much of the rest of the state as well. It's very hard to see tornadoes during the nighttime hours. If you're in a mobile home, you should decide now where you're going to spend the night. It's just that's simple. It may happen, it may not happen, but the confidence is high. And personally, if it were me and I had a mobile home as a place of residency, I would go somewhere probably within the next few hours and hang out until tomorrow morning early when the storms have passed. We don't say that to instill fear. Just common sense. If I lived in a mobile home or a weaker shelter, I would be going somewhere safer tonight, maybe a place with a basement, because when these storms come through, it's going to be bad driving. If you're in 70-mile-an-hour winds, when large trees are blown down, it's going to be easier for them to fall because of all the water we've had. And if you get in a situation like that, it's going to be bad. If you were to get hit by a fallen tree, you're not likely to survive such. Quarter-sized hail is also possible across the area overnight once the second line of storms begin to move through, and you should be protecting your vehicle if you see that's a necessity, something you want to do. Go ahead and take care of that before the storm hits. The next thing, torrential rainfall. We're going to see a lot of rain with these storms as they move through. A lot of cloud-to-ground lightning is possible. And remember, turn around, don't drown. That area is mainly in western Kentucky, all the way over into Pulaski, Laurel, Wayne, Whitley County, and areas south of Owensboro. All looks for heavy rainfall, and flooding is a concern we've had a lot of rainfall over the last few days, and there's more on the way. The severe weather threat is also upped. A greater chance, higher confidence in severe weather than what we had today. Across the state, numerous homes have been damaged. We have trees reported down all across the region. And of course, survey teams will determine what type of winds did that damage. They'll probably start that survey sometime tomorrow, if there is one. The confidence is greater in destructive winds and flooding. There is a hail and a tornado potential as well. But the highest confidence, according to the Weather Service, is damaging winds, flash flooding during this time. Tornadoes can't be ruled out. Large hail cannot be ruled out. But we will see winds 60, 65, 75 miles per hour. We'd like to remind folks that we will be here live throughout the evening, if required, even into the wee hours of the morning tomorrow, to keep you updated and informed. But that's the way we have it now. I would say an extension of the tornado watch later tonight. Damaging, destructive winds, 70 mile an hour and over. 1 to 3 inches of rain with locally higher amounts possible, and large hail. It's all on the table today. So keep it here on the Storm Alert Center for the latest in weather information. We will be here throughout the afternoon and evening. Right now, no immediate threat. In fact, as you look at the radar, you can tell there's not anything much going on other than some heavy rainfall over in Wayne County, Clinton County, and parts of Pulaski, and nothing as far as warnings for this area. Keep it here on the Storm Alert Center, 40,000 people strong that like or follow our page, and we appreciate it so much. The Weather Authority